Have you ever wondered what you could look like with a different hair color, but you were so nervous to commit and pull the trigger? Welcome to the Hair Lounge. My name is Angelina, and I'm going to show you how you can try using a certain product to be a different hair color so you don't make the mistake and hate what you did to your hair. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what that product is and how to use it. Here it is, AG Brunette Dry Shampoo. Hear me out. This is perfect for anybody who currently has brown hair and their hair color is grown out. Say you have gray hair and it's been a while since you've gone into your hairstylist and you need something to cover either the regrowth if your hair is lighter or cover the grays. Perfect addition to everyday wear. But did you know you can use this to adjust your hair color and try something new without fully committing to permanent hair color? I've seen it all over TikTok and we are gonna make Angelina a brunette. I have never been all dark ever. I've always had blonde highlights and I wanna show you exactly what this product can do so you can try it on yourself and see if it's something you wanna do. And it's fun. Everybody wants what they do not have, but maybe you only want it for a night. Maybe you wanna try something different. Maybe you wanna see if brunettes have more fun. This is a perfect way to do it. And let's make me brown. One reason why I really like using more of a dry shampoo for this, because I do not wash my hair super often. So why not kill two birds with one stone and use something that's going to absorb the oil, kind of this greasiness that you see on my hair, and change up the color a little bit. Again, like I said, you can also use this if you have gray hair or if naturally you're a blonde and you want to be brown or you have brown color on your hair. This can touch it up in between those appointments for your root touch up. But we want to play a little bit and we're going to try making all of my hair brown. I would definitely suggest using a towel to cover your clothes because again, this is color, as you can see, so it is going to stain your clothes if you're wearing any kind of color. I would suggest getting a clip so that way you can do it in sections. You are not going to get a super even coverage if you do not section your hair. As you can see, this underneath, I don't really have a whole lot of blonde in there. Kind of towards the front, it is a little bit lighter, so let's start there. As always, I will link this specific product in the description box below. That way, it's super easy for you to find if you want to try this particular product out. Let's get to it. I will say I'm a tiny bit nervous. Let's see what this looks like. But it's nice because it's not going to change my hair whatsoever. When I shampoo it, all of this will come out. So it's not something that you have to be super nervous about. Okay, you guys ready? Like I said, you're not gonna see a whole lot on this bottom because I don't have a whole lot of blonde, just a tiny bit in the front. Okay, you ready? Let's get to this blonde stuff. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. It actually matches pretty dang good. You are gonna notice my fingers are gonna get stained. So if you do not wanna have stained fingers, I will suggest wearing gloves if you can. Now we're gonna go on to this part. I will say you probably want to shake it up pretty good so that way you're getting the color out. This is where it's going to start to get fun because I have a lot more blonde up through here. But as you can see, it actually matches my regrowth pretty good. It's pretty close to the same color that I actually am naturally. But like I said, I have never seen myself with all dark hair, so this is gonna be weird. Holy cow. All right, so now this section is where I am very, very blonde. Okay, so check out my hands. Holy cow, I have brown hands. Definitely wear gloves if you want to. It will wash off, but look at that side by side, you guys. How wild is it to see me with dark hair? A little weird. Does make me, stand out a little bit when it comes to my eyeballs. But I obviously do not have my shirt covered super, super well. You can kind of see the color on there. So I would suggest maybe wearing a cape, or you will get it on your shirt when you're spraying. Now let's move on to this right side. I have used a lot. I'm thankful I did it when I cut my hair, because if I had long hair, I probably wouldn't be able to cover it very easily. But let's keep it going. Well, I ran out. As you can see, I have a little splotchiness in this front stuff, but we're just gonna go with it. You guys, I am brunette, and we got a cloud of stuff in here. I'm gonna go wash my hands really fast, come back, try to brush through this and see what it does. Because again, this is dry shampoo, so look at how stiff my hair is. So I want to see if I can brush through it and get it manageable to where I can actually wear this. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. If you like what you see so far of this wild, crazy mess that I have created of my hair, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so yet, hit the red subscribe button while I wash my hands. When I come back, I better see that you subscribed. All right, I am back. As you can see, it came off my hands really good, doesn't really stain. I was able to kind of dust my shirt off. Obviously haven't washed it yet, but it does come out pretty good. Now I'm gonna attempt to kind of comb through it and see. Ooh, look at that though. A lot of dust coming off. And I do think it is due to the fact that it is a dry shampoo. So for example, it's got a little bit of powder in it, so it is going to soak up all the oil. So as you can see, it has zero shine to it whatsoever. And it feels a little stiff, not gonna lie. We are feeling a little stiff. But like I said, there is a little like flaking, or you can kind of see like dust from the dry shampoo kind of coming off. And when you brush through it, like you can see on my comb, I have a little bit of like powdered dust. On my chair, whenever I had gotten up, there was powder and dust kind of all over everything. So make sure when you're doing this, you are okay with the room that you're doing it in. Maybe do it outside so you don't get it all over your house. But for wanting to see how I look when I have dark hair, you definitely see a major difference. Again, like I said, I have seen it all over TikTok. I did use a full bottle of this dry shampoo. So if you have more hair than I do, be prepared to spend a little bit of money to be able to do it all over your hair. Because as you can see, I have a couple little lighter pieces mixed throughout. Didn't cover completely on the side because I ran out. Oh, and look at my face. I gave myself a beard, but I would say this is a lot cheaper than if you were to put color on your hair and hate the way you looked with dark hair. So I would say as far as TikTok trend go, kind of fun to see what you look like. I would not really be able to walk around with my hair like this. I mean, look at how stiff I am. You do see a lot of flaking when I run my hands through it. So kind of a fail, honestly. Like you wouldn't be able to walk around with your hair like this. Maybe if you were wearing, I can't even say if you're wearing it up because it's pretty dang stiff. So I would say definitely good if you want to see how your hair is going to look when it's dark. You probably can't walk around with brown hair with it looking like this. But, it's fun if you want to try it and see what it looks like. I hope you guys like this video. As always, I'll link the product down below. And again, this can also be used if you have blonde hair and you color your hair brown and you have regrowth, it will touch up that color. Or if you have gray hair is kind of poking through, you can't make it into your hairstylist, it is a perfect way to touch up those roots. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and doing this fun little TikTok trend with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch you all next time. Bye-bye.